How to install Monopoly Go on Android? Want to bring the classic Monopoly experience on steroids to your Android device? Here's how to install Monopoly Go in just a few simple steps. Tap the Play Store icon on your home screen. Tap Search here, and in the search bar at the top, type in Monopoly Go and hit search. Find the Monopoly Go in the results and tap install like this. The app is around 180 to 250 MB. It may take some minutes, so wait for a few minutes, and once it is installed, tap the open button to launch the game. And that's all there is to it. Monopoly Go is officially installed on your Android. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so that you will stay updated. Thank you for watching.